Hi everyone. This is topic 3. So on this one, what you'll do is you'll have your topic. This is actually going to be a very, very, very short one. So you're going to write your topic here, and then you have two pink things here, and I'll describe what's going on here. Okay. So what happens with to the temperature and pressure of increasing depth? So this is a very sciencey, just physical science type of situation. So we're going to be analyzing two different graphs. So we got graph A and we got graph B. If you notice that we have temperature in Celsius, not Fahrenheit, so just remember that the gradient is not as high. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 271 Fahrenheit. And I think I'm off on that, but you can tell that it's hot. But water boils at 271 Fahrenheit, but it's 100 degrees Celsius. So there's some, and you can go look up that equation if you would like. Okay? There's not an easy way to do it because they were developed at different times for different things, Fahrenheit and Celsius. But on this one, purple one with the green line, we have the depth, because if we keep going, that's the independent variable. But what changes? Well, there's a couple things, at least. There's probably more, but this one is having an analysis of just temperature. And so that is really hot. That's about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, from not 8 to 10,000 degrees. Okay. Now this one is talking about the pressure. They do look different. This is atmospheres, and this is millions of atmospheres. So we're right here at, we are currently in 1 atmosphere. Now that changes just a little bit. That changes just a little bit when we have fronts, but nothing like the millions. So that would be like having 1 million gallons of water on your head. So down below, you guys are going to type and tell me what is going on with these graphs. It could be as simple or more complex as you guys need to be. All right, that's it.